Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to this complete beginner blogging course for 2026. If you want to start a blog, get more traffic, improve your writing skills, and grow your online presence, then this video is for you. Today, I will share 7 important steps that every beginner blogger should know. So let's get started. Chapter 1. How to start a blog. The first step is starting your blog. Choose a blogging platform such as Blogger and create your account. Then select a niche that you enjoy and understand. Your niche could be blogging, online earning, technology, education, or any topic you are passionate about. Starting is more important than being perfect. The sooner you start, the sooner you can learn and improve. Chapter 2. Common blogging mistakes. Many beginners make mistakes that slow down their growth. Some common mistakes include writing about too many topics, posting inconsistently, copying content from other websites, and ignoring SEO. Focus on one niche, create original content, and publish regularly. Chapter 3. Best free blogging tools. Fortunately, you do not need expensive software to become a blogger. Some of the best free tools include Google Docs for writing, Canva for creating images, Google Trends for finding topics, Grammarly for improving your writing, and Google Search Console for tracking your blog's performance. These tools can make blogging easier and more professional. Chapter 4. How to get traffic to your blog. Getting traffic is one of the biggest goals for every blogger. To get free traffic, focus on writing helpful content, learning basic SEO, and sharing your blog posts on social media and YouTube. Remember, traffic does not come overnight. Consistency and patience are the keys to long-term success. Chapter 5. How to write a perfect blog post. A perfect blog post starts with a great topic and an attractive title. Write an engaging introduction, use headings and short paragraphs, and provide useful information that solves a problem. Always finish your article with a clear conclusion that summarizes the main points. Chapter 6. How to find blog topics that get traffic. Choosing the right topic is extremely important. Use Google Trends to discover popular searches, answer common questions people ask online, and focus on solving real problems. The better your topic selection, the higher your chances of getting visitors from search engines. Chapter 7. How to write better blog posts. Writing is a skill that improves with practice. Focus on creating valuable content, improving grammar, using clear headings, and making your articles easy to read. The goal is not to write more words. The goal is to provide more value to your readers. When readers find your content helpful, they are more likely to return to your blog. Conclusion and motivation. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick method. It requires patience, learning, and consistency. If you publish content regularly, continue improving your skills, and never give up, you can build a successful blog over time. Remember these 7 steps. Start a blog. Avoid common mistakes. Use free blogging tools. Learn how to get traffic. Write better blog posts. Find great topics. Keep improving your writing skills. Thank you for watching this complete beginner blogging course. For more blogging, SEO, and online earning tips, visit my blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ahmad Online Earning Guide. Keep learning, keep writing, and keep growing. See you in the next video.